What's up, you guys? Big Z in this one from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Learn Bengali tutorial by Big Z. So today is March 26, 2021. It's a very special day for the country of Bangladesh because today is the Independence Day for Bangladesh, and it's been 50 years since independence was declared for the country of Bangladesh. So that's 1971. March 26, 1971, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he declared the independence of the country, and hey, it's been 50 years. Holy crap. Bangladesh has been a country for 50 years. So last year I gave you guys like an idea, like a history, a rundown of what happened and everything. But this year I'm going to go over some words now with you. For example, Independence Day. What is that in Bengali? And the 50-year anniversary. What is that in Bengali? So let's get started. So here we have Shadhinota Dibosh or Independence Day. Once again, this is Shadhinota Dibosh. Okay, so this is Dontasha Songjukta Ba. So this sounds like Shaw straight up, but we write it like this. So Dontasha Songjukta Ba, Akar Sha, Dha Dirghikar Dhi, Donta No, Toyakar Ta, Shadhinota. Okay, let's break it down further. Okay, Dontasha Songjukta Ba Akar Sha, Dha Dirghikar Dhi, Shadhi, and we have no, that gives you Shadhin, and then we add Toyakar at the end here, so it becomes Shadhinota. 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 Okay, yeah. Shadhinota and Dibosh. Dibosh is day, so Doroshika Di, Bo, Dontasho. Dibosh. Shadhinota Dibosh. Independence Day. So once again, Dontasho Sonjukta Bo, Sho, and then we got the Akar, Sha, then Dha Dirghikar Di, Shadhi, Donta No, Toyakar Ta, Shadhinota, and we have Dibosh here, Doroshika Di, Bo, Dontasho, Dibosh, Shadhinota Dibosh, Independence Day. Okay, so let's go over the 50-year anniversary part in Bengali. We have Ponchash Bochor Purti here. Ponchash Bochor Purti. So this starts with Po, and this is Neo Songjukta Cho, gives you Poncho, and then we add the Akar here, so it becomes Poncha, and then Talibasho at the end, Ponchash. So Po, Neo Songjukta Choy Akar, Talibasho is Ponchash, that's 50, year 50. Bochor is year, Bo, Cho, and Bashinoro, Bochor. Ponchash, Bochor, and we got Purti. Po Dirgha U, Toy Rev Roshikar, Purti. Ponchash Bochor Purti. 50-year anniversary. Once again, this is Po, Neo Songjukta Choy Akar, Talibasho, Ponchash. We have Bochor, Bo, Cho, Bashinoro, Bochor. Po Dirgha U, Toy Rev Roshikar, Purti. Ponchash Bochor Purti. You can also say Shubarna Jayanti, which is literal translation is Golden Jubilee, and our 50-year anniversary, which can also pass on as 50-year anniversary. So Shubarna Jayanti. Donta Shu Bo Modinan no Rev. That's Shubarna, so that's golden. Once again, Donta Shu Bo Modinan no Rev Shubarna, and then we have Jayanti, the Jubilee part here. Borga Jo Untustio Noy Sonjukto To Dirghikar. Jayanti. Okay. I'm gonna go a little slower here, okay? Borga Jo Untustio Noy Sonjukto To Dirghikar. Jayanti. Shubarna Jayanti. Golden Jubilee. So 50-year anniversary. 50-year anniversary of independence can be translated as Shadhinata Shubarna Jayanti. Shadhinata Shubarna Jayanti, yeah, got it. Donta Sonjukta Boy Akar, Dha Dirghikar, No, Toyakar Ta, Bashinoro, Shadhinotar, and Shubarna Jayanti is Donta Shu, Bo, Modinan no Ref, Borgajo, Untustio, No, Toy Sonjukto Dirghikar. Shubarna Jayanti, Shadhinotar Shubarna Jayanti. Or you can also say Shadhinotar Ponchash Bochor Purti, Shadhinotar Ponchash Bochor Purti. Dontasho Boy Sonjukto Akar, Sha, Dhoy Dirghikar, Dhi, Shadhi, Donta No, Toyakar Ta, Bashinoro, Shadhinotar, Po, Neo Sonjukto Choy Akar, Poncha, Talibasho, Ponchash, Bo, ছ বয়সিন্নর বছর পয় দীর্ঘ উ পু তয় রেফ রসিকার পূর্তি that's স্বাধীনতার 50 বছর পূর্তি, right? So we learned a lot in this lesson. So I want you to review this lesson many times, multiple times. Review it, understand it, ask me questions, so that you understand what is going on in this tutorial, because this is not a beginner's lesson. This is a little advanced lesson, and I had to make it because this is Independence Day. This is a very special day, and this is the 50-year anniversary. It's not going to come again, so that's why I've made this video for you guys. So yeah, enjoy this, watch it multiple times, ask me questions, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.